Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknatha Kharse Talent School, Muktanagar online tutorial. Now, today we are going to solve. Today we are going to solve the worksheet first, chapter third. Chapter third. What is our chapter third? Starting and shutting down the computer. Starting and shutting down the computer. Okay. See. Now I am writing my name, you write your name here in this way. Okay, you write your name here. I am writing my name. Understand? Now see, look at the picture. Whose picture is here? Whose picture is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 5 pictures are here. Okay. So what we do here? We have to write E. What we have to write? E for the machines that needs electricity to run. Machines need electricity. The machines which need electricity, that machines we write E. Okay. Now see, where? What is this machine? What it's called? This is a washing machine. How this washing machine is run? This washing machine can be run with the help of electricity. Okay, so we write E here. What is this? This is a fan. How the fan is working? How the fan is run? The fan is running with the help of electricity. So we write E for electricity. We write E for electricity. Okay. What is this picture? This is a sharpener. Sharpener needs the electricity? No. So we cannot write here. What is this picture? This is a car. Car needs electricity? No. Car needs a petrol or diesel. Okay, so we cannot write here. Aeroplane needs electricity? No. Aeroplane needs petrol. So we cannot write here. This is a iron. This is iron. Iron needs electricity? Yes, iron needs electricity. So we can write here E. E for electricity. Understand? Now next. So, if the machines needs the electricity, can computer needs the electricity? Yes, computer needs the electricity. Computer needs the electricity. We all know about the computer. So, let us learn how to turn on and turn off a computer correctly. Understand? How to turn on and how to turn off the computer. Okay, first we see starting a computer or turn on a computer. Starting a computer or a turn on a computer. There are 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, switch on the power button on the electric board. See, where the boy is, what the boy is doing? The boy is switch on the power button on the electric board. On the electric board, the boy is switch on. So you write here, switch on the power button on electric board. Switch on the power button on the electric board. What is second? Switch on the power button of the UPS. UPS. Where is the UPS? See. This is the UPS. What the boy is doing? The boy is, this is a small box. That small box is called as a UPS. The boy is switch on this UPS. Okay? This is the second step. What is UPS? UPS is nothing but the uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply means what? It gives us the power supply for a long time. Means it cannot interrupt. the power supply, even the electricity is off. When the electricity is off, in spite of this, your computer will get started or continue to start. It gives us some time to shut down the computer. So that is called UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Press the power button of the computer. Press the power button of the CPU. Press the power button of what? CPU. CPU means what? Central Processing Unit. Press the power button of CPU. What the boy is doing here? The boy is pressing the CPU button here. This is called CPU. Okay? Now, switch on the power button of the monitor. Switch on the power button of the monitor. Okay? These are the 4 steps. First, switch on the power button of electric board. Then, switch on the power button of UPS. Press the power button of CPU. Switch on the power button of monitor. In this way, we can start our computer. Starting a computer, turn on the computer. Understand? Okay, now turn the page. Shutting down a computer. How we can shut down the computer? See. Or shut down the computer or turn off the computer. Click the start button. Click the start button on the monitor. Click the start button on the computer. Click on the shutdown. Click on the shutdown button. Click the start button. Click on the shutdown button. Okay. Then switch off the monitor. Switch off the monitor. Switch off the UPS. Switch off the UPS. Okay. Then switch off the power button. Switch off the power button on the electric board. How many steps? 5 steps. 5 steps to shutting down a computer. How many steps? 5 steps. Start button. Click the start button. Click on the shutdown button. Switch off the monitor. Switch off the UPS. Switch off the power button on electric board. Understand? Okay. Now next question, that is number the steps correctly to show how a computer is shut down. Here are some statement are giving. What we have to do? We have to arrange this statement correctly and write the numbers here. Switch off the UPS. Switch off the UPS. This is the 4 number. This is the 4 number. Click the start button. This is the first number. Switch off the monitor. This is the 3rd number. Switch off the power button on electric board. This is the 5 number. Click on the shutdown button. This is the 2nd number. Okay. In this way, we have to arrange these numbers or giving the numbers to this statement. Understand? Thank you, student. I hope you enjoyed the today's session. Now we will come on the next session on the next chapter. That is chapter 3rd, worksheet 2nd. Thank you.